So, as a shop owner, you're starting to recognize that there's a real opportunity in your market, and you're starting to think, okay, now what? And the first decision, obviously, is to validate that there's cars in your area you want to go and get. And then, assuming those cars are going to show up at your shop, how do you know that you're going to be able to work on them successfully? And ultimately, the first step there is training. You're going to make sure that your staff in-house, when they work on that car, are going to fix it correctly and be able to return that car to the customer and make that customer happy. So training is step number one. A lot of people have gotten some hybrid training over the years because hybrids have been around for, 20 years now. And that's a good start, especially if you're already doing some hybrids, you're comfortable with that. It may feel like a bigger leap to go into all electrics. Certainly, a lot of the hybrid training that people have gotten does apply to EVs. But if you're going to start looking at more interesting EVs, especially progressive manufacturers like Tesla, you should get some catch-up course training on Tesla. And of course, Earthling training provides that. So that's opportunity to get access to the service information, understand the scan tool profile, stuff like that, but also just look and feel of the car. For example, if someone pulls a Tesla up to your shop and your technician walks out to the car, is that person going to know how to unlock that car, how to drive that car around the shop, how to rack that car, how to make sure it's in service mode, and all these other things that you need to be able to do to work on it and not embarrass yourselves just out of the gate. So hands-on training, not just reading stuff on the internet, is really important, and we're excited to be able to offer that.